In this video, I'll show you the new feature that Stripe released that makes it now the best platform to collect payments for your business. I've tried my fair share of other payment platforms like Chargebee, Square, Stacks, and Bill.com, but all of them have disappointed me a little bit in one way or another. But Stripe continues to perform well for me, and they just took it up a notch. Not only can you do one-off payments digitally and in person, but they also make it a fairly intuitive process to set up recurring payments for subscriptions like month-to-month subscriptions. Now, although they're still pretty developer-friendly, you can get by using the whole platform without any code. The current system that we have in our business uses zero code. But there's always been one exception, and that's the customer portal. Fairly often in the business, I would get requests for a customer to change their billing details, but I never wanted to set up the customer portal because it required code. It would be the one part of our business on Stripe that required code, and so we just did it manually. Now, Stripe has finally launched a customer portal link, so now you can just send a URL to all of your customers. They go in, log in just using their Stripe email, and now they have a unique customer portal where they can change their billing details by themselves. So now the new process is very hands-off for me. It's very intuitive also for our clients. Overall, Stripe has been the best platform that I've used. The feature set is robust. Now, it may be a little bit more expensive than other platforms, but I've done some cost analysis, and the difference in savings that you'll really get from moving to a different platform is fairly negligible. And again, the reliability and the feature set that Stripe offers, in my opinion, it's worth it. Soon, I'll be launching 30-second reviews of popular software, specifically for entrepreneurs. Make sure to follow the channel so you can see them as they come out.